Good, good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Today is the first day of the week, that is Monday. Today, what we are going to do? Okay, but before we will discuss about yesterday, have you completed your question answers which I have sent through PDF? I hope you have completed your question answers of my body. Today, again I will give you the remaining question answer. Children, take your time, but don't be in a hurry and don't do spelling mistakes. Okay? Write properly in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. So, just now I said today, Monday. What we are going to do? Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is We Care. That is our third lesson. Page number 2020. Page number 2020. In this lesson, what we are going to learn? In this lesson, we are going to learn people with disabilities. Then realize that elderly people need love and care. Understand that we need to sensitive and realizes the importance caring for this. You don't worry, children. One by one, I am going to teach you one point. Okay? So first, we will see what is our neighborhood. Neighborhood means what? Neighborhood means we are living. Whatever is surrounding area, it is known as neighborhood. Means neighbors are there in neighborhood. Children, we are so lucky. We are so lucky because I told you we are blessed with a good parents. We are blessed with a good body. We don't have any disabilities in our body. Even we are going in good schools. Then even we are going in good. We are having a good place to play. Even we are very comfortable in our house. Even we are celebrating our birthdays, weddings. And we are we are enjoying festivals with our family, so we are very blessed one. But children, some people in our neighborhood or in our community, what is meant by community, I will explain you. But some people, those who are living in our community and in our neighborhood, they are having physically disabilities, or sometimes they are very poor, sick. Okay, so these type of peoples are need special need. They need care, they need love, and this part we are going to see one by one. Children, if we will care for these type of peoples, those who are sick, old, poor, or those who are not able to see, those who are not able to hear, if we are helping them by doing small things, they will feel very happy. Yes, somebody is paying attention towards us and somebody is taking care. So they will feel all happy, and we will also feel happy by doing something for them. Yes or no? Yes. People, those who are living in our community. What is community? Which is close to our neighborhood. A big neighborhood means a neighborhood and their relatives is known as a community. And these are, if we are doing some help, we are doing something for them, these are the community service. What is community service? See here. We can start by helping the people close to our homes and schools. This is our community, and it is with this in mind that community service has been introduced. Okay, this is community service, and this is going to be introduced in Vikram schools. In this lesson, we are going to see Vikram schools and his friend, what they are going to do. Children, you underline this community and community service. This sentence you underline, and then we will see in Vikram schools what we are going to see in the lesson. Here in these lessons, we are going to see the special need people, those who are blind, those who are orphans. Now what is meant by orphans, I will explain you afterwards. I wanted to show you the 4 groups are there. Here Mrs. Sharma is the teacher and she is appointing 4 groups, means 4 group of each class. For example, our section is Earth section. So Mrs. Sharma means I, Mrs. Kulkarni, EVS madam has appointed 4 groups. I have made the 10 child's group, and then I have appointed one leader in that group, and I have given them task. You have to visit blind school, you have to visit the old age home, you have to visit the orphans. Okay, stop. Third, the people who are having disabilities. First, the blind school. One group is going to visit the blind school, one group is going to visit the orphanage, one group is going to visit the old age home, and one group is going to visit the institute where the peoples who are living, those who are having physical disabilities. Disabilities means what? Once again I will repeat. Disabilities means those who do not have sense organs, or they are having some problem. Some people, they don't have 2 hands, some people they don't have 2 legs. Might be in the accident or when they have born, that time only they lost their hand. Like these people, for these people there is one institute. I will explain you that when I will teach that one. First, what we will see, the Mrs. Sharma has appointed a 4 group. She has made one group in charge, that is volunteered. It is known as volunteer for that group. Write the spelling: VOLUNTEERED, volunteer. For example, I have 10 students and in that I am making one volunteer for that group. Group A volunteer will be the Arnav. Example I have given children. Okay, and this A group is going to visit the blind school. Now what A group Arnav is going to visit in the blind school, and what the observation of Arnav we will see in this. So Arnav's group. Arnav is the volunteer of group A. Arnav and his friend. Volunteer means nothing but a monitor also. As we are in the class, we are making monitor of tiffin monitor, then we are making a class monitor, then we are making a uniform monitor. Same, that child is doing the work for that group, means he is checking the tiffins continuously, means that is the tiffin monitor, means he is volunteer to check the tiffins. Like this, Arnav is volunteer for the group A and they are going to visit the blind school. Okay, Arnav and his friends are going to visit the blind school. Then what they are doing, as they are children, those who are not able to see, so they want to make them happy. So what Arnav is going to do, he has purchased biscuits and cakes and sweets for the physically disabled, means those who are visually impaired, means those who are not having eyes, and then they are going to visit, so that children will feel so happy. Wow, this Vikram schools children came to visit us, means somebody is taking care of us. Then what children they are observing in that school? They are observing that children are also studying. How? They don't know the ABCD as they are blind. But there is a special system which is made for them, and that is known as the Braille. See the second new word, that is Braille. First is volunteer, which I told you the spelling. Write down in the rough notebook the second new word, that is Braille. And the spelling is B-R-A-I-L-L-E, Braille. And the pronunciation is Braille. What is the Braille system? I will explain you what is the Braille system.